Mask one. First one I tried. Mask two. Filter and filter. I'm waiting for the filters to come though. It's got the face look. And then for my daughter. It's the last one. It's got Velcro. You strap it on your face nice and tight. Pull it tight just for the nose. It's also got filters on the inside. Same thing. You can lift this up, take out the filter, change it, put a new one in. That's how you do it. Bargain right now it's shortage of masks out there, so it's weird it's got a little smiley face, but yep. Anything you gotta do for your family. So now she can go to work tomorrow, home health aid, and use this as a mask. I can do better, but this rush. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. She needs this for 9 o'clock in the morning, so came out good. Right? All right. My daughter bought some really thick foam that no contaminants or anything can get through, so it's very thick. You can't breathe through it, so I was going to use the CPAP filters to put inside, or cut a hole and put it filter, but that's not going to work, so I have to get the P100 filters. They're on their way. Little round filters. I'll cut a hole and sew it inside somehow. But this is the pattern I cut out, something like that. And as you see, got the nose, mouth guard, bunch of super glue. I glue them first, and then I sew this seam. First I glue it, then seam, and sew it. See there, sewing sucks, but that was the first one I made, very first one. So what you do is you cut it like this, and then sew those together, sew that together, and sew the nose piece together. And then, a little cutting and shaping. I still got to redo this one, but make your own mask. Cut a hole, sew a filter, order the filters from Amazon. Viral and bacterial filters. Cut a hole. Alright? That's what I'm over here doing.